an external divine intervention interpenetrates the universe, simultaneously existing outside space and time. So pantheism postulates that the universe is synonymous with an external divine intervention, while panentheism postulates that this external divine intervention that is synonymous with the universe simultaneously exists outside space and time. And then you have, so you have pantheism, you have panentheism, and then you have panpsychism, or panpsychism, or panpsychism. Can't pronounce that last term. Can't pronounce that last. The peculiar, obscure, philosophical definitions are so difficult to pronounce. So panpsychism or panpsychism postulates that all matter on a universal, primordial, primitive level have ingrained in it on an infinitesimal level some level of consciousness. What's my point for saying this? Panentheism